I'm going to take apart the refrigerator and figure out what's making that noise.
That is a really good idea.
Usually you're not supportive of my efforts.
I'm more mature now.
Hi, Mom.
What did you do?
Good news. I found out what part was making that noise.
You have to put this back together.
Now we're going to the bad news.
What made you think you could fix this?
I'm smart. And I had a book.
Do you still think you're smart?
Yes.
I told him not to do it. He wouldn't listen.
$200?
It'll be okay. We'll find the money.
Wait, the old fridge in the garage. What's it? What was that? What's that?
Well, I kind of donated that fridge to the church. You know, for the needy.
Are you kidding me?
I see tense moments like this more than you think. I'll just give you guys some space.
You know how much it's going to cost to fix that fridge?
$200. I have really good hearing.
Do you have any idea how hard I work for the money we get?
I'm sorry.
I don't care how long it takes. You're going to pay me back every cent of this.
Yes, sir.
I'm very disappointed in you.
You know, if you cry, I can't enjoy your pain.